DoorDash operates using a zone-based delivery system that divides metropolitan areas into distinct geographic zones. Each zone has specific boundaries, independent demand levels, and separate scheduling requirements. Strategic zone switching can significantly boost your earnings. Experienced dashers report earning 15 to 25% more by switching to high-demand zones during peak hours. However, there are important limitations to understand. You cannot switch zones while carrying an active delivery. The target zone must be accepting new dashers, and declining orders to switch zones can negatively impact your completion rate. There are three primary methods for switching zones. You can pause your current dash and move to a new zone, end your dash completely and restart in a different area, or pre-schedule time slots in multiple zones for sequential work throughout your shift. Method 1 is the pause and move approach. First, tap the pause button in your DoorDash app to temporarily stop receiving new orders. Next, navigate to your desired new zone by driving to that area. The app will detect your location change. Finally, resume your dash by tapping Dash Now or selecting a scheduled time slot in the new zone. Method 2 is end and restart. Complete or decline any current orders, then end your current dash session completely. Move to your target zone, then start a completely new dash session in that area. Method 3 uses pre-scheduling. Book time slots in different zones ahead of time, then move between zones according to your planned schedule. Use the in-app heat maps to identify busy areas before switching zones. These flame icons show hotspots with high demand. Look for zones marked as very busy with extra pay opportunities. These zones offer bonus earnings ranging from $1 to $3 per delivery. Position yourself near zone boundaries for quick transitions. However, be aware that excessive switching can reduce your overall efficiency, especially during rush hour traffic.